and all of a sudden you stopped hearing from the person, just know that it could be that something very
Yes, hello my beautiful people. This video go shock now when I want show now. So this video, these two men, they be Africa, Nigeria. I believe one of them, two of them, they be Nigeria. Then they stay Italy. These two people, they don't get meta, they don't, they stable again. Drink. How we go just leave your own country when you know say you travel, you know what to carry you come up for your country, Nigeria. Go another person land. You go look for green, wetin I dey call am, na go look for something good. That is all that live in a country. Now not live in a country because of say una country too bam. Then una go spend una money there. No, now live in a country because of red eye. Many of us when enter this abroad, I dey talk am, many of us. No be say our papa rich. Now red eye, we take comot, japa comot for Nigeria, enter abroad. Okay, you don reach abroad now. Now drink be your first something to hold. Wetin drink? Wetin drink dey do for body? Abeg, if you be type, abeg let me know wetin drink dey do. I no like drink oh. Drink no be say na bad thing, but drink so that you will get yourself back. These two men, they be Africa, they be Nigeria. When you leave Nigeria, promise their family everything that they want go abroad. Maybe go make things better, or go school, or go work. They reach Nigeria, one for inside. In fact, e don enter bottle come outside. When the other one is, in fact, e head still dey think. Then this our beautiful sister, the same K1. This K1, she still interview them, ask them, you dey hungry? May I buy una food? Where una for come? One for inside, very angry. E dey vex. He say, why you go ask him? He ask am say, he wan buy them food. He say, no. The other one say, give me money. One say, we dey read the hungry. It's like they never eat this morning. Say that they read the hungry, make the lady buy them food. The other one say, may not buy them food, may give them the money. The lady, because if I buy you, if I give you money, you use and drink. He say, how dare you? They tell her say you want buy drink. You don't ever give her money before, you just the verse. And the lady now, she use her brain because bottle dey her hand. And if even do anything, they will say her head not 2 days stable. The lady come, they come out. As the lady come on, the other one come run meet, and the lady want go find food, find money, give them. As far as money, the other one when they when they open, ask them. Make the lady now, make she go collect money. The other one when they read the hungry, wait, say the lady want abandon them. Now he pick raise. Now he can't run meet the lady. Now he can't ask the lady, say, the lady because he want to collect money. Say, see where they sell food for you. You buy the food. They can't buy the food for them. He can't they eat am. He can't give her the food. He can't they ask for a friend own. They be friend though. These two people they be friend. But whether na drink do the other one or the other one just get mental problem because the other one see the if na watch the video the other one see the correspond but he look dirty for Italy. Now the lady can't give them the food. God will bless you, my beautiful sister. I will continue to pray for you because easy this work when they do so. You they use your money for pocket. Say they help those people buy their food. It good. Give her never lack. Now waiting will still try to know. If you get, give. But if you not get, not worry yourself. If God give you that heart to give, God must surely provide for you. Maybe not be now, maybe in future, you will still do your own. They late at all. Why I really break this thing? When I say Italy, somebody like this day, they hungry, they homeless. That day I talk about say I wish our country I mean because they be black. I bet if they stay Italy you come across this my video I don't really know anything about Italy or maybe now because of a big city like this my city when I did now I know like Red Cross. Some people they like winter they will give their house. They go no government they pay their citizens for France so I know about Italy. Government say all fingers are not equal. Some people they there to work when some people they no feel work. Those people they feel they work government they pay them. How government they pay them? Maybe their house rent. Government go help them they pay house rent. Government go help them they pay light bill. Government go see they give them money. Then if they see say winter time, those people, those homeless people, now always they say for France when they be French citizen. After maybe winter time, they go apply for house. They will give them. After winter don't finish, those money when government they help them, say they pay house rent, they want carry everything. They don't mind. They want to sleep for outside. They will say some don't start. But as they see they sleep for that outside, Red Cross go package food. They'll go they give them. They know the junction when they stay. Government go pay them. Whether you be citizen of France, whether you not be citizen of France, as far they don't see your head, your state of your head, immediately you be government property. See those my two brother like this for Italy. I don't understand Italy law. Please, if you they stay Italy, let me know. if Italy government they no dey take care of person when get mental health. Because that day I look, when I watched that our brother for Edo, for Benin, when this lady see am, when they go to say na Unibet, but believe me, if na France, that guy as he get brain and as he know about school, they go make sure say they go, at least they go give am injection, they go make sure say they take care of am, so that e go come back to a normal sense. If e no even be 100% okay, at least they go dey give am drug, medical, to push him. I talk about if na abroad, say something like this no happen, make we no dey quick dey judge o. I was shocked. This guy, these two men, these two of our uncle daddy, they stay Italy. Okay, Italy government neglect them because they be Africa, they be Nigeria, or this kind system no dey happen for Italy. Italy just to be like my country, Nigeria. Please let me know. I would love to know. I explain my France when I did, like my city. I don't say the whole France, because each state that they get their law, that they get how they do their things. Like my city where I dey so, if person get health problem, automatic na government property. If they say as okay, this person the head get as if he no fit take care of himself, they'll go put am for where health people they dey. It gets hard, they'll take care of family. They will still get another stage when they will still say okay, if it no mingle with some people, someday that they come, someday they violent, they get, I think they separate them. The one where you see they sick, where they put am for hospital, the one where you don't they okay, at least they fit manage them for hospital, their house still dey, they'll put there for there. See, maybe now the one when drink cause his sickness, he go back to street, go dey drink that drink, fit take am away from her. Or maybe the one when this one take, but because they use am dey harm person, government don't treat am to know himself. Then anytime we want fall back, government will go pick am again. Those two men, as they look very dirty. And if you dey Africa, my beautiful people, wetin our sister Rick talk, if you dey Africa, you no hear of any of your loved one again, you no hear from am. No just look and say if na man, hey, woman don carry am go. If na woman, man don carry am go. You no know wetin your sister, your brother dey pass through for abroad. Whether you don think so tey e don pass there, or whether all those things wey dey take, e don enter e blood. You no know whether house dey exist again. Always pray for your loved one wey no dey around you. Whether e dey send you money before, e no go dey send you money, dey pray for am. You no dey hear from am, dey pray for am, because you no know wetin she or he dey pass through. You don't know whether she dey alive. You don't know whether she no dey alive, or maybe e dey pass through this kind health problem. No family to cater for them. Nobody. Everybody, you are your own. Like me today, I come outside. I get appointment. I get this one. I go that. I finish. I enter my house. I don't know whether anybody they out there they pass through stress. Please, if any of your family member they abroad, you know they hear from am again, no carry judge am. Let's watch little, then you guys will fit go K1, go to our house, go wash am. Okay, if you dey follow me on Facebook, please subscribe. If you watch me on Facebook, please follow me. Okay, if you love this kind of video, please I go dey bring am. Okay, follow me. I will dey bring more updates when I dey see. I go dey bring am comment. If you follow me on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Drop your opinion. Pray for this our beautiful sister. May the God continue to provide for her. This our sister, may we pray for her. The pocket when she dey for the bring and come out to support people. She will never experience lack. Lack will not be her portion. She will not fall victim. Her goods will not turn back to her. Her goods will open more door of goods to her. Let's pray for her, because it's not easy. Though we dey create content, but it's not really easy. This kind of content is not easy. Let's watch before I go make food.
All of a sudden, you stopped hearing from the person. Just know that it could be that something very unfortunate has happened to the person. And that is the case of this our brother in the city of Roma, Italy. This is one of the most emotional video I've ever done. Please watch to the end. Hey guys, so I'm currently in Roma, Germany. I saw these two homeless men. One was begging the other one for money or something to eat, something like that. So the one he was begging was not paying any attention to him, maybe because obviously he may not also have. So I have passed them already, but for some reasons my mind is telling me to go back to them and at least find out what they want. So I decided to carry you guys along. So let's go. Have you eaten? You cannot talk. Okay.
One not the fit they talk for inside. One not the fit they talk. when the other one just put drink for mouth. Drink. My people, now this one I get to talk. Make we continue to dey pray for our loved ones. So make we continue to pray for our loved ones. Okay, the video read the emotion. See our two brothers when leave Africa come abroad at the end. Now another thing, I pray make God, Italy government see them where na capital city now na Roma, capital city of Italy, that is Rome. A lot of things they happen, except I wish maybe na aspect of Rome, aspect of Rome. I believe government for quick see them, but I was shortalized when I see this. Our two brothers for Italy see something like this they happen. I don't know whether they still in France, but what I see for the city when I dey or for my area, I never see something like this before. They hungry. You'll see that they hungry. The Red Cross, they provide food for all those kind of people, and those kind of people. No. Hospital, they say repay me. I don't know what to talk. My people, may not drop my comment in the comment section. If na want watch the full video, may not go K1 channel. Okay, may not support her by wash her art. Okay. I'll see you in my next video. I hope do well to subscribe to never subscribe now. Do well to subscribe. They follow me for Facebook. Do well to follow me, like the video. Please and okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. So I meet you next
to go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any